Today we're going to be making wall masks out of Pringle box and cardboard. Hello everybody, my name's Zaki and welcome to Zaki Dreams. For this, we need Pringle box or a cylindrical box, cardboard, masking tape, tissue paper, liquid glue, water, black paint, metallic paints, gold and bronze color, paint brushes, air dry clay, foil paper, varnish, a pair of gloves, scissors, and pencil and eraser. Cut out a shape like this on cardboard, and you need 2 of them. We also need 2 ear shapes like these, and we need a rectangular piece. Take a Pringle box, and we need to cut it in half. For that, you can take a ruler and your pencil, and you can mark, you can draw a line, and then you can cut it out. Now using the masking tape, we're going to make the edges of the cardboard smooth. Now we can cut a V shape to make its chin. It's time to assemble the mask. Now the base of the mask is ready, so the assembly. We're gonna paper mache it. For the paper mache, we need to mix half of the glue mixture and half of the water. And then you need to mix it really well, and then you'll get the mixture that we need to stick it with. Then take tissue paper pieces, dip it in the mixture, stick the tissue paper pieces throughout the mask. And then let it dry.
2 hours later.
Is nice and dry, see? Now we're gonna make the facial features of the mask. For that, we need to use air dry clay. Let's make the eyes. Take some clay, flatten it out, and then cut the eye out. Let's make the nose. Now make the mouth like this. stick it onto the cardboard, the mask basically, and we need to shape it if it is needed. Design for the mask. Now that our clay work is done, let it dry completely. While it's drying, let's make the hook. To make the hook, take a small piece of foil paper, fold it into half, and crumple it lengthwise tightly. Take the clay and wrap it around the foil paper and then shape it into a hook. Just like this. Now let the hook also dry.
24 hours later.
Now all the clay has dried. See? Now it's time to paint the mask black. I have painted the mask. After it dries this first side, we have to paint the other side. And also I've painted the hook, so you have to let both of them dry.
2 hours later.
I've painted both of the sides of the mask with black paint and I've painted the hook. Now it's time to attach the hook. For that, you can use liquid glue or you can use the glue gun. Now we'll give the mask a metallic look. Now, take the espresso paint, the rich espresso, and take a plate, put the espresso paint on, and then take a tissue paper, crumple it up, dab it in the paint, and then dab it all over the mask. After we're done using this paint, we're going to be using a gold paint. And this is just to highlight it. Finally, our mask is ready! You can make different shapes and details like the two I have right here. See? And this can be a perfect decoration for your room or your house. Put it anywhere, look perfect. And if you liked my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. If you don't like this type of hook, you can make one with a thread. Like this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.